In order to mold areas of plastic parts that are trapped, additional mold tooling might be required. SolidWorks has a tool called Undercut Analysis that will help spot areas that cannot be molded using primary direction of pull. Let's examine this part. To access the Undercut Analysis tool, go to the View drop-down menu, Display, and select Undercut Analysis, or simply click the Undercut Analysis icon on the Mold Tools tab of the Command Manager. I'll specify the direction of pull by selecting the top face of the part. This process is similar to the Draft Analysis tool we reviewed earlier, except it specifically looks for trapped molding areas. Notice the red faces identified on this cut. These are defined as occluded undercuts, which essentially means they can't be molded without the use of side cores. I know now there's a problem, so I want to quickly run through the process of generating the core and cavity blocks for the primary direction of pull. Once this is complete, I can address this trapped molding area. I'll begin by creating the parting line. Next, I'll create the shutoff surfaces. Next is the parting surface. To prepare for the tooling split, I'll create an offset plane at a distance of 1/2 inch from the top plane. And now I'll create the tooling split, sketching a 10-inch by 4-inch rectangle to define the blocks.